This is on a 64 C10, but anything with ball joints like this, this is the top. This is the bottom. So if you have this problem, slide this in, and it's not going to press in, it just falls in. You can get an oversized ball joint, or this one would probably work with a knurled one that has the ridges right here. But if you need to get this going right away, here's a trick. You can weld a ring around here, it'll tighten it up, and this will press right in. Just using my 110 welder with some flux core wire, since this won't really be holding anything. Just need a bead around it and for it to get hot. Okay, I got that all welded and put some paint on it. So now we'll see where it used to just slide right in. Super tight. No way you're gonna just push it in. It'll have to be pressed in like it needs to be. Okay, got the ball joint press all set up. Now you can see it's seated in there real good, right where it needs to be. Super tight, no way that's going anywhere. So, see, seated right up against where it should be. Nice and tight, ready to go.